Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, ma'am. Thank you for asking me. What about you, ma'am?
I'm also doing great. Everything is in honky dory. So, would you mind to introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I delighted to introduce myself. My name is Balwant Singh Kuswaha. I am from UP district Gazipur. In 2024, I have completed my B.Ed. Now I am aspiring learner of English communication skill. If I'm talking about my hobbies, so I love dancing and creativity. So that's all about me.
Okay, good to hear about you.
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you also want my introduction?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, my name is Pooja Bhatt. Basically, my roots are from Uttarakhand, but currently I live in Bangalore with my family. I have also done B.Ed and Masters with Science, and nowadays I am preparing for government teaching exam. And simultaneously I am running a small YouTube channel also, so by the name Learn English with Pooja. So that's a bit about me.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so yes, so I want to ask, like, I want to know about your journey. So as you said, you live in UP, so do you live in city area or village area?
Ma'am, right now I am at my village.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so yeah, how long have you been learning this language and when did you start?
So I think, ma'am, it's been more than 1 year that I am learning this language. If I'm talking about my listening practice, before 1 year, I just started my listening practice, but this year I just started my speaking practice.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
which kind of difficulty you face while learning this language?
Ma'am, Uh, now I am a beginner and I am learning this language. And ma'am, when I started this language, uh, I don't know how to communicate well. And in video session, I am so feel so hesitate. I have so fear. But now I just have a uh, 3 4 sessions. Now I am little bit comfortable to
Yes, I
speak.
can understand very well you because whenever we start something, it's very difficult and we face a lot of problem like from where we have to get, and we don't
Yes.
even in this language nowadays we are getting lots of exposure because
Yes,
social
ma'am.
media we can consider so blessing in disguise, so we are learning from it, but earlier it's very difficult, so we find ourselves perplexed like from where we should learn, what should I do, from where we have to start. So yeah,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can totally resonate with you.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you start your journey, did you ever feel like giving up?
Uh, yes, ma'am. Sometimes I feel alone because I am trying so hard to learn this language, but I am not get any idea, any path. So how can I accomplish anything? How can I do that? But when I consistently following a channel that helped me a lot in this journey, and with the help of this channel I just restart my communication journey, and I learned that if she can do, so I can definitely do.
Yes, 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 truly, truly. That because giving up is very easy and it's a easy task to giving up, but it's very difficult to put your consistent effort and be punctual, be disciplined on any journey. So I
Yes,
can
ma'am.
totally resonate with you that most of time when we don't get exposure we think like okay it's a kind of burden for us and we are putting our heart and soul but we are not getting any result. So it's a human nature, we always prefer to give up those things, but I can say that I can appreciate your power, your courage, that you are still learning and thriving also. So And which kind of activity and which help you to gain confidence? I want to ask to you.
Ma'am, through this video session, I feel so confident because I think this through this session I learned that how to hold a conversation, how to face to someone, and how can talk to anyone. So I learned so many things from this video session.
Yes, yes, and it's very fruitful, I would say, if you are recording, you are talking with someone, so proper gesture, eye contact, your
Yes, ma'am.
accent, everything matters that time. So if you overcome this fear, so definitely we gain confidence and we become more fluent.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and hurdles, obstacles, and mistakes are the part and parcel of our life.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
because they, yeah, mistakes are not dead end, it's a detour of our life. So we have to overcome, we have to muster the courage, like how to overcome this situation. So I totally agree with you. Okay, so I want to ask, like, what's your goal? Means why you are learning this language?
Ma'am, first thing, I have an interest in this language, and the second thing, uh, I want to polish my English language, and in future I will be a trainer, and I would like to make content related English.
Yes, yes, yes. So which kind of practice you do apart from that video call at home?
So, ma'am, I do listening practice and shadowing practice every single day.
Okay, so for shadowing practice, like how you shadow means from you videos or with your own and own.
Ma'am, from YouTube videos.
Okay, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah,
And ma'am, to maintain my speaking practice, I also create my own YouTube channel this year, and every single day I just push myself to record a solo video and try to explain anything, try to make content in English.
okay, nice, nice. Yes, yes, and YouTube is a kind of compulsion. You need to post every day, so you have to come out from your comfort zone, make videos, then you can upload. So yeah, it's
And
a kind of discipline we get from
and
YouTube.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, I want to say that this is my dream that I live today. That I have a conversation with a YouTuber and I'm talking in English. So this is my bucket list. So I'm so happy. I'm so thrilled that I am into this process, and every day is very good because I am into this process, and I learned so many things. So it's very
Yes.
good for me. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, definitely. And who everyone wants to connect with YouTuber. They want to talk and they want to, share their knowledge and gain from them. It's a two to tango, I would say that definitely. And you are good speaker and you are speaking very well. Even now also you are connecting with me. I'm also a YouTuber and there is a long way to go. And yeah.
Ma'am, I think I am familiar with you because I have seen you on YouTube, and I think your English is so good.
Okay. Have you seen
Yes,
my videos?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's a very means a lot for me. Thank you so much. Okay, so do you have any questions so you can ask?
Ma'am, may I know your English journey?
Yes, yes. Actually, it's been 4 months and still 5 months. Still, I'm learning this language because it's a language. It's a lifelong process, and we have to learn a lot. And on a daily basis, it's a kind of ocean. So daily basis, we have to update, learn new thing. And now I'm also learning this thing whenever I do household chores, whenever I'm learning, I am doing anything. So I try to listen more and more because it works for me a lot. I talk other, so like actually I used to speak broken language earlier, but I have started before 5 months. Then I'm consistently putting my effort on this language, and whatever I'm learning, I try to use those words, those expression while conversating with people. So this is all about my journey.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, uh, what type of practice do you do every single day related to English?
Yeah. Okay. So I also connect with co-learner because it's a speaking, it's a practical skill. So we have to be practical on it, and we have to connect with co-learner as like you. I also connect in video call and as well as in voice call as well with my co-learner. And on a daily basis, I read book, means 2 3 pages most of time. And apart from it, like but whenever I talk with my kids, I try to talk in English so that I can create artificial environment. They will also get from my side. And you know that kids are very inquisitive, they learn very fast, and they also learn from me as well.
And I think, ma'am, it's a very great initiative that you have taken, that you are learn this language, and also you are a mother and you just teach your kids that this language is very important, and you just talk in English. So I think it's a very great environment for kids also.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I think your phone and my phone. Yes. I don't know whose phone is coming. Wait 1 minute.
What will happen, ma'am?
I don't know, phone is ringing.
Maybe someone is calling.
Okay, yes, yes. So yes, yes, and creating artificial environment is very mandatory for our kids, especially because they are in learning stage. They are learning very quickly. So
Yes,
as a parent, it our responsibility to give good environment and learning environment so that they can easily learn. Because we didn't get this kind of environment, that's why we are learning at this age. Otherwise, we would also fluent now, but it's
yes,
okay. Like we can't blame to our parents that time. They even they don't know, they didn't know about this language, so how they would make us learn.
yes,
So
ma'am.
it's not their fault, but whatever we have, we can inculcate with our
Yes, ma'am.
kids.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So, okay, so where is your village situated? It's a truly village, or means a connection, like villages are very far from city. So sometimes it's very pathetic to gain, internet connection. And what about
No,
your village?
ma'am, I think village is near the city, and in network area, I think there is not so much issue. Uh,
Okay.
right now, I am at my home, so I feel so comfortable, and there is no issue related to network. But, ma'am,
Yes.
when it comes to any market, so I think it's uh, f- uh, f- 10 to 15 minutes for my home. So I think it's very
Okay.
uh,
Yes.
time
It's a
taken.
near to you.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes. Near to you.
yes, ma'am. And ma'am, I also live in Varanasi for my work, but right now
Okay.
I am at my village.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
what's your education qualification? Okay, you have mentioned that you have done B.Ed. So which
Yes, ma'am.
subject? With which subject have you done?
Ma'am, political science or history?
Okay, so you want to become teacher of political science.
Uh, yeah, ma'am. But
Okay.
ma'am, when I was doing B.Ed that time, you know, I don't have any interest in English. But right now, I just got interest in English, so I just try to just continue this journey.
Yes, yes. Nice, nice.
Ma'am,
If you
because yes, ma'am.
now we are running out of time, so if you have any questions, so you can ask.
Ma'am,
It's
no,
okay
ma'am.
if you don't have. Do you have?
Right now, ma'am, no.
Okay, okay. It's okay. It's okay. So shall we wrap up this session?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much for giving your time and
Thank,
keep learning, keep growing.
thank,
Okay.
and ma'am, thank you for this session.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.